In a quiet workshop, a duo of engineers unveiled a bizarre device that colors sound into scent, letting melodies bloom as floral aromas. They called it the Aroma voice mapper, a contraption that translates notes into fragrances via micro-emitters and perfumed microcapsules. When a piano falls silent, tiny vials release cinnamon, jasmine, and rain-soaked cedar, turning concerts into aromatic landscapes. Critics tested it with curious volunteers, reporting that memories surfaced with the scent, erasing the line between hearing and feeling. The project shows how odd science can blur art and smell, inviting audiences to breathe along with every chord.